And Saeed Abbas, my question to you is just this. Is this the only list they have in their Mohabbat ki dukaan? Ilhan Omar, Michelle Bachelet, they have Sharjeel Imam, all those who have ideas about how to put India down, how to divide India, how to hate India, the Tukde gang. And the Prime Minister isn't wrong when he says that really the thought of the Congress party has become Muslim Leaguey and Maowadi. And are you going to help by making this country absolutely Congress Mukt? Because the Janta is telling you, the Janta is giving you messages, 95 defeats, get your act together, figure out, smell the coffee, Colombian coffee or Indian coffee, choose whatever you want to, but please smell the coffee. India doesn't like this, they don't appreciate it. Message going home or not?
Navika ji, I come from the beautiful south of India and I love my filter coffee any day over a Colombian coffee. And so does my dear friend Suhail Seth. Dear Suhail Seth, mere bade bhai, mere jigar, aziz dost, he said something very beautiful. Of course, critics are important. But my dear friend, statues are never laid in the honor of a critic. And if you listen to a critic, you need to be nothing, do nothing, say nothing. I don't think so that the Congress is born out of nothing. The fact is, it is the doers, believers, achievers make the world go round while the critics are critiquing. Also, let us understand, when my friend Shehzad Poonawalla speaks of Maoist Congress and Muslim Congress, my dear friend, Congress leaders like Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi lost their lives for this country. I understand the same party threw you out, kicked you out for the right reasons. But you need to understand the number of freedom fighters put together in the Congress party cannot equate the length and breadth of your Bharatiya Janata Party or your affiliated RSS. So I understand. My friend, you were nooked in Congress, you were taken off in Congress and you were shown disrespect in Congress. And that is why जो जहर है आपके अंदर, वो जहर रोज प्राइम टाइम पे उगलता रहता है. Navika ji, let me make it clear today. Be it an Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, this Gandhi Parivar has given life for this country, and that is the ultimate truth today.
Yes,
the Bharatiya Janata Party
yes,
or Modi ji cannot
but
stop
do
that.
not make people who take lives of Indians your heroes. Here, this lady Michelle Bachelet seen with the Soros family, here seen with Sonia Gandhi, and this is an association I would have thought you would stay away from. But Shehzad Poonawalla, before I get Abhijit, rebut please.
Because I was called poisonous on this. Sohail, because he's made some comments on me, please let me respond.
No.
Because he's made some comments directly targeting me. Yeah, very quickly, Sohail. You know, this award was given to whom? The Aman Ka and Shanti Ka Doot, Mr. Muhammad Yunus, who wants to vivisect India and cut off the Northeast. This award went to him also. So perhaps he is not spreading poison. Shehzad Poonawalla, a Pasmanda Muslim, is spreading poison. Then he said, Jagdish Titler pe...
Don't use the Pasmanda card.
Ma'am, let me complete.
Don't use the Pasmanda card. You're a privileged man.
Freedom of speech and democratic rights, the last I heard, existed in this country. So calm down. Allow him to complete.
चलिए, मैं तो poison spread कर रहा था. Navika, let me please complete. Navika, please let me complete.
1 minute, gentlemen. Shehzad.
नाविका, मैं तो पॉइजन स्प्रेड कर रहा था, बट शशि थरूर तो पॉइजन स्प्रेड नहीं करते ना. सो मच इज दैट टॉलरेंस फॉर क्रिटिसिज्म दैट शशि थरूर विश्ड एलके अडवाणी हैप्पी बर्थडे, फतवा जारी. ही सेड मोदी जी ने अच्छी स्पीच दी, फतवा जारी. अरे कम से कम थरूर जी को तो मान लो, हमें तो नहीं मानते. वी आर तो पॉइजनस. थर्डली, मिस्टर अश्विनी जी सेड जगदीश टाइटलर पर हमने कार्रवाई की. यू नो, व्हेन सज्जन कुमार गॉट कन्विक्टेड इन 2018 आफ्टर 34 years, the high court said that the law enforcement agencies conducted the riots and there was given political patronage to protect people like Sajjan Kumar by the Congress party. Is this Mohabbat ki dukaan? Was Sajjan Kumar and Jagdish Titler spreading poison or spreading love? And Hardeep Kaur, a witness, has said how Jagdish Titler killed 6. It has been said in the Nanavati Commission. And you are saying that this is not poison.
Rahul